In this video, I'll detail how to connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to Wi-Fi. So if you're using Apple Watch Series 9, whether 45mm or 41mm with GPS or GPS on cellular, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to Wi-Fi or internet. So if I don't know this, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is press the 2 crown once to exit the watch face on your Apple Watch Series 9. Then this is going to take you to your app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Then once you select the settings, you want to scroll down. Scroll down until you get to Wi-Fi, click on that. And once you click on Wi-Fi, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on if Wi-Fi is disabled on your Apple Watch Series 9. And once you turn on Wi-Fi, you're going to see choose network, trying to search for all available network that you can connect to. Then scroll down, click on the network. Then if you click on it, this is going to connect to the network automatically if you've connected to it before. But if you have not connected to it before, then you need to type in the password, just like this. Click on that. Then you should see type in the password. Then go ahead, type in the Wi-Fi password on your Apple Watch to connect the Apple Watch to the internet. Then once you are done, click on the join button at the top right. And after that, this is going to connect the Apple Watch to the internet. So that's how you can easily connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to Wi-Fi or internet. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.